here?
Hello. Hello once again. This is the second half to my vlog at Atkins Farm. The cream, the pies, and the cakes.
So we need the cute cupcakes.
Oh, the cute cupcakes.
Careful, there's some more.
Well, what kind of pie do you like? Apple?
I bet you can't see them because it's too much light, but look down there. Coconut bliss. Look, right there. Dark chocolate.
What else is there? What? Cherry? They have
Blueberry.
peach.
If they have a strawberry blueberry.
Oh, there's pie right here. Meme.
Raspberry pie.
Chocolate cream pie. We need to get a chocolate cream pie.
Crappy pumpkin.
We need to get a chocolate cream
Well,
pie.
leave it for last.
They
Chocolate
have a
cream
rhubarb.
pie.
It's not a strawberry rhubarb.
What?
Chocolate cream pie. You gotta get one.
Chocolate cream.
Yeah, chocolate cream pies are the best.
Cakes.
Ooh, cakes. Hey, cool, frog cake. He graduated. Cool.
Yeah, I think so. All right.
So many cookies. So many just like cookies things. Ooh. Atkins. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Oh, sorry about the wrong spelling. I kinda spelled it wrong in the first half, but I'll spell it right this time. Can I get myself a cupcake? Some cupcakes? Walking through the bakery, chocolate area. Just walking. 2 minutes. Cool sushi. So many drinks. I can't even comprehend this. Tuna. Ooh, fresh cut fruit tray. You can't see anything in light, sorry. Pirate's foodie. Hey, Dad. No. So as we walk by, we see people and all different kinds of things. Good. The workers, the garden veggie, cheese. Cheese! Dad, look at this. Vintage cheddar.
Here's the meats.
Meme, do you like sharp cheddar? Do you like sharp cheddar?
Yes.
Best cheese ever. Hashtag.
$12.
Hashtag best cheese ever. I gotta put it away. Girls, move.
So we look.
Ooh.
Your green beans.
Yay, green bean. Green bean heaven. Get in a bag. Get in a bag. Okay, can you film, huh?
You know what I like about these places?
Green beans.
They give you a lot of room to
Green beans.
Yes.
not tight, you know?
More green beans. More green beans.
All right, that's good.
What? Okay, that was green bean heaven. Green bean heaven. Green beans. Ooh, watermelons. Yeah, right. Ooh, but watermelon.
So they had ground beef.
Barely see it, but.
We want to get some over here, or you want to get them?
Oh, I like the ones. Well, I don't know. I've never had them yet.
Jalapeno.
You like hummus?
Jalapenos. Jalapenos. Fernando. Oh my God, what the heck is this? Oh, red longhorns. Hungarian wax. Ooh, what are these? Beans. Sea beans. Ooh, got nice. This place is a cool place. Hey, one thing. Beef. The grape section. Got artichoke.
Maybe you should get some cherries.
Or how about some of these?
Those are Brussels sprouts, and I doubt you'll like them.
Yeah, we should get some cherries. Oranges. Okay, Dad, I'm ready.
Put those back.
Okay. There we go.
Here we go.
I want great.
I said cherries. Cherry.
I know what cherries sound like.
Cherry.
Oh no, low battery. I have to... Ooh, tomato jar. Got cool stuff here. Gluten-free brownies. Ooh, now we're going to the frozen section. Gluten-free stuff. Gluten-free isn't better for you. Just people think it's better for you. Not. Read the food good. It really isn't. Oh, beer soap. Nope. Beer and wine section. Don't want to go to that section. Ooh, what do we got here? Farm raised. Awesome. Weenies! 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 Sausage weenies! Weenie sausages! Lemons. Ground beef. We should have tacos tonight.
Oh, those would be good on the grill.
Hey, we should make tacos tonight.
That taco dish.
We should make tacos.
Oh,
Look at that.
you want to get the hamburger or not?
I want to get some of this so we can make tacos. Tacos.
Hey.
I want 85%.
Yeah, right here. That's 85, right?
This stuff right here.
Okay, let's see. How many do we need? You're 3.
Excuse me. I'm checking out the thing. We got, oh my god. The beef brisket. Fresh brisket. Olive bar. Oh, that's a lot of different types of olives. What's this crap? It's feta cheese. It smells terrible here. But it looks cool. Like a purple olives. Purple. These kinds, this, that's cheese. Let me get out of here now.
Oh, yeah.
It smells over there. At the olive bar.
Yeah,
It does.
it's an olive bar.
Ooh, weenies! More weenies! Cool. Rotisserie. We should have rotisserie for dinner. We should either have...
Spaghetti.
Oh, do we have...
Fresh sauce.
I want to have tacos tonight.
Turn that off.
Why?
Turn it off.
Oh, okay. Bye. This is the second half. Bye.